Hey guys, this is a review on this Bell+Howell Bionic Spotlight, solar powered. We're gonna check it out, unbox it. It's as seen on TV. You know, a lot of these products have been pretty dang good. You know, some of the glues and fabrics, the cement fabrics, spray glues. I'm hoping some good things on this one. Yeah, this looks pretty straightforward. There's the light, mounting piece. Okay, you can put it in the ground too. That's what that is. Do wall installation or ground. So what I'm actually gonna do is set it up for a ground installation first, because I wanna make sure it works good. And I'll let it charge up before I put the screws into the wall. This is the piece that goes into the ground. This comes out like that, self-explanatory, and then that just clips onto there. Okay, here's your adjusters here. This one's for your panel itself. You can go up and down real easy, get it to where you want it. You can tighten it up. Now this thing too, this is the swivel on the end of this. This tightens or loosens the swivel, so that thing will move around. You can position your light wherever you want. What we're gonna actually do is take this off and put it in this. Okay, so what happens here is, you see this? You actually don't have to do anything to it. So if you want to put it in the wall, put it in the wall. It comes with some mounting screws. If you want to put it in the ground, this right here just fits right in there, really. Just push it in. All right, so they're not really recommending you use this in the winter months, and so it's November right now. So they say to recommend removing it, and I think that's because you don't get as much sun exposure. So we're gonna give it a shot anyway, see how it works. But I took the label off of that, and then we'll go ahead and, you got an adjustment here. So you got off there, and then you can push it over this way for sensor mode. There's the light. It's not too bad. Oh, that's nice and bright. We'll go stick it outside and see how it does. Ooh, yeah, I like the brightness of it. I just hope it charges up pretty good in the overcast, but we'll try it out. All right, it's raining like hell out here. I gotta go see if this thing's working. Let's just see. Man, it's coming down. I see oh, there we go. Oh yeah, ooh, that's nice. Now I can see if something's back here in the backyard. Yeah, oh, that's good. It's hard to tell on the TV or on the, oh, yeah. It's nice. Nice and bright. I like it. It actually gives off more light than shown on the video. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's see if it holds up. I can see a bunch of stuff back here if I need to. You can't see it on the video because it doesn't do as good, but man, it's pouring out here. Washington State, gotta love it. All right, liking the solar. It's got a little, oh, there we go. That's working good. Sweet, like it. Dang, even in the rain. All right, pretty good.